Howdy y'all! Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special little project going on here for Mr. Joe Rainis. He sent this out to me to have restored. This is in, I forget what year it was. I just looked it up too. But it's an older fire alarm. And I believe he uses it as a mailbox. I've been working on it a little bit, just kind of playing around with this part. That's why the door is down. But it's like old Gamewell fire alarm, and it's got its old, basic box style. I just don't have the innards. That's all. And I believe he uses it for a mailbox. So I've been messing around with this little door a little bit here and there, and then I was like, well, before I get any further, I'm gonna turn the camera on for you, and so you can see what I'm up to now. Bouncing back and forth between this and Simple Mad's 019. So, yeah, basically right now we're going down for a whole breakdown and get it ready for sandblasting, and we're going to do some powder coating with it. So, without further ado, let's get into it. You will see how that will go. Now when we sandblast these, I'm going to tape off this little section here as well as the part for the hinge. We want that as close as possible because we will have a little bit of a gap there if we left it with powder on it. Now I may just go in here and grind these flat. There's some studs that must have attached whatever was in here on there. So I just ground those flat because you could see, look, somebody tried doing that as well. We also need a little repair on the top where the conduit went in for the electricity for the bell. So we are going to see if we can remove the remaining conduit, if it's screw type, which I can't really tell, or if it's just in there. Nope, it's looks like it was either screwed or pressed in. So either way, I'll get a plug, and we're gonna plug that, and then we're gonna make it flush. I have special filler that will go into the powder coating oven that will withstand the heat. So other than that, folks, right now we'll just get on to blasting. Before we go over to blasting, Joe included a picture of what he would like this to be. This was pretty much what it used to be. It was original. So we are going to match that and restore it right to the T. As you can see, we got a little bit of a two-tone color going on here. Allow the white with the lightning and the fist there, a little bit of lettering. So we're going red to white and white to red on the handle as well. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but nothing we can't handle. Also, before I start sandblasting, I did forget that we are putting this plate on, and they included some screws, some number 6s. Where'd my knife go? So we are going to see if we need to resize these holes. He mentioned that we may need to resize them. So maybe, maybe not. No, they look a little on the small side. They won't even fit through the plate. So we're going to be doing a little resizing here for number 6. I have to go to my drill index and find the right drill bit. We'll get these holes punched, and then we can go over to powder coat. I wish I could take this off. That way we could powder coat everything completely and do this little thing separate. But it is a rivet piece, and I do not know if I can get these rivets or not.